In this video, I will show you how to remove close friends on Instagram highlights. So to remove your close friends on Instagram highlights, after you open your Instagram like this now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says close friends. After you tap on this close friends, so as you can see now, I selected these people as my close friends on Instagram. So if you want to remove one of them, all you have to do now is select uncheck this box beside the facing name. So as you can see now, if you tap on this box now, you remove the facing and tap on this done button. So as you can see now, that's it on how to remove close friends. But if you want to remove all your cross place links on Instagram, so tap on this menu and tap on this, as can scroll to down and tap on this close friends again. After you come to this close friends, if you want to remove them all you have to do now, tap on this clear all button. So tap on this done button. So now I remove all close friends list on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.